What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties getting set up here, but I am live right now. So welcome on into the stream, my friends. Hope you're doing well. Hit me with a 2 if you can hear me loud and clear, and we will be hunting some trades right now, guys. All right. So actually, I kind of like this setup right here on the 5. Let's go ahead. Let me see this trade setup right here, guys. So I want to do this pretty quickly here. Because I might miss it, but here we go. So we have a trending market all day. If we go over to SPY, you can see here is the open. We're trending. What we have right now here, guys, is a short setup here. This is the 618 pullback off of the high that was established around 12:30. Okay, so this right here, the market is actually looking to put this in at the high of the day. So for me, this is a good trading opportunity. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right now. Is let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, so let's wait for this candle. This is also the holy grail pattern. This is my one of my favorite patterns to trade. It's an outside followed by an inside bar. It's still forming though, so let's go ahead and see. But let me try to get this order set up. And then we see right here the low of this candle is 497275. Okay, so let's do a stop limit order. Okay, so stop limit means it has to break this low right here. So let's go ahead right here. So I'm going to do this sell. Okay, I got to put in my password. 1 second. Okay, so sell. I'm just going to do one contract. Stop limit. The low of this candle is 497275. 497275. 497275. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this in 3 2 1 boom. Okay, so I'm waiting to get filled here if we break this low. All right, so normally I like to take some time and talk to you about the setup, but I had to move quickly there because this is a good setup. Okay, hit me with the 4. Can you hear me? Everything's okay. Sorry again for the technical difficulties, but we're here now. We're live. We're looking to take this short setup right here. So this is what it's going to be. Okay, so let's swap over here and just put in the setup. And I'm actually going to go to MES right now. Okay, so this is the setup right here. So we're going to short below this candle. Okay, and we can have a stop loss right here. So these trades, it has to work right away. Okay, meaning if it comes back and breaks that high, I'm out. So I'm going to keep a very small risk here. All right. So let's go ahead here. Let's measure this out. How many points? So that's about 7 points. Okay. 7 points is $35 risk. Okay. So we're using the micro contracts. Each point is $5. Okay. So just to repeat again, I have an order in right now. I want to short. So let's go ahead and put it in here right below this candle. 49.72 and a 75. 49.7275. So here is my short right here. So I'll let you guys know if we get filled. So what I'm doing here is a stop limit order. Okay, stop limit means it must break the level. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm not filled yet. Okay, because we're waiting for this to turn. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. Okay, it looks like it might turn right here. Okay, looks like it might turn right here. Still no fill. All right, so let's just be patient here and wait for this. Okay, so this type of trading that I'm showing you today is waiting for the candle to confirm. Okay, and if this continues to go up, I will not take the short. Okay, I need it to break this white line. If it does not break this white line, I will not take this short because I'm using the candlestick conformation. Okay, and right here, guys, I'm going to go to my website. And if you want my indicators for free, just come here, tradingwars.com/resources. You can add this to your chart. That's how I get the different colors and the different bars. Okay, so just go tradingwars.com/resources and scroll down to Trading Wars Golden Indicators. Okay, so these are my free indicators. You can just click on it and then just click. You'll see it down here, add to favorites, and you'll add it to your favorites and it'll be on your chart. Okay, so the white candle is an outside bar. outside bar is a trap candle, and it breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. I love that candle for a potential change in the trend. And you can see right here, let me zoom out. We've been in an uptrend all morning. Boom, 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 up all morning. However, if we look at this big red candle, that's telling me the market potentially wants to go short. So I'm going from high to low. I see right here, we're on the 618, hovering around it. And I'm also using the candlestick right here, this candlestick. When this white line breaks, I want to take the trade. Okay. And I'm using the micro contracts. Each point is $5. So this is very good for small account because you're only risking $5 a point. If you use the full contract, it's $50, and you'll work your way up to that. Okay. All right. Hit me with the 2 if that all makes sense. And I want to thank you so much for coming out here. And I love doing these live sessions with you guys. And let's go ahead and let's talk about what's the purpose of this stream while we're waiting for this trade. So the purpose of this stream is to develop $1 million trading system only Fridays. Okay, I've been trading for a long time, and I strongly feel that on Fridays there's an edge, especially in the afternoon, because the market goes extremely volatile. Because going into the weekend, there has to be rebalancing. Institutions have to do things to protect themselves, etc. And I really feel Friday afternoon could be that one trade a week where you can make millions, really, in the long run. Okay, so in order to get there, we're going to develop a system. This is what we're doing. We're 1 win and 1 loss so far. And we're just going to develop it together. We're going to go through all the ups and downs. We're going to do small account. So this is just micros. Okay. So these are small. All right. And hopefully we can build a profitable system. We want to get probably 20, 30 trades under our belt. And then from there, we can size up. Everybody understand? Hit me with the 44. So that's the plan. So today we are focusing on the candlestick confirmation. Okay, so if you notice right now, I'm not in any trade because the white line has not been broken yet. The white line has not been broken. Until that white line breaks, I'm not taking the trade. Okay. All right. And let's just do a quick update while we're waiting for this trade. So this morning, guys, we went live. This morning, guys, we went live in the Discord, and I just wanted to show you the opportunities. So the first opportunity was actually a trigger trade. So we'll leave this trade, let it do its thing. Haven't been filled yet. So if this actually makes a new high, I'll cancel this trade, this order, because I want to see a turn. So if it's not going to turn, we'll cancel. We'll look for something else. But anyways, let's go back here to the Discord and let's start off with how we got here. Okay. So it's whenever you're coming into the afternoon, you really want to ask yourself, who's trapped? What's going on? Okay. So right here, we had a long plan to go long above 49.24. So let's go back here to MES and let's draw that in. Okay. So I'm going to keep that order in still. And if it doesn't fill in the next 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to close it. Okay. So let's go ahead here and let's draw in that trigger line. Okay. 49.24. Right. Okay, so this was our trigger level from last night. And what I want you guys to see is this. So the market, here's our red line trigger. And the market had earned, obviously this is the Amazon push. Okay, so this was Amazon. We had a gap down when we reopened. We went sideways and we came all the way back down to that trigger. And then we started to pop right back up. Okay. So that is very important because this is starting to act as a support level. Okay. And then from there, if we actually sneak into SPY on the 5-minute chart, this was the Fibonacci of the day. I missed this one, unfortunately, but here's our low to high, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then we pulled back right at 950. So we had that 1618 and then we just been ripping since then. Okay. Hit me with a 4 if you guys took that 618 trade. So I missed this one. This was the best trade of the day. It was that one pullback that came in at 955, 945. Okay. And if you use calls on this 0 DTE, guys, you'd be up hundreds and hundreds of percentages right now. So that's a really, really nice setup. Unfortunately, I missed that. But anyways, we're here now and let's look for another setup here and let's see what we can do here. So with this Holy Grail setup right here, It can also work to the upside if you take the break above. Right now, I don't want to look for a long because I'm actually in Amazon right now. I'm long-term holder of Amazon, so I made a good chunk of money on earnings. So I really am looking for some type of short. I need to protect my gains, and the way I protect my gains is through taking hedges. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. All right, so anyways, guys, so here, let's put on the full. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do here now. Is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move my order up. Okay, so let's get in under this candle, and let's put a stop at the high of the day. Okay, so let's try this. So I'm going to move my short entry to here, right there. Okay, so 49.74.75. So let's go ahead and update the order in the broker. So I'm trying to show, I wish I could show you from my screen. So I'm trying to work on finding a way to share my broker with you live. That way you can see what I'm doing, but I'll send you screenshots. Okay, so let me take a screenshot right now of how I put the order in. So let's just do that right now. Boom. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit submit. Okay, so there we go, guys. I updated the order for that. I'm going to hop into the Discord right now, and I'm going to post the screenshot. Yeah, so I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, it's called a stop limit order. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, so right here, I just posted it. Okay, so this is the order. Okay, so if you guys can see it, can you guys see it? There we go. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm selling one micro contract with the stop limit 49.74.75, 49.74.75, right? So what has to happen is it has to touch this level and break it in order for me to get filled. Okay, and then 49.74.75 is right here. So until this level is pierced, this order will not trigger. Okay, and that's what we call stop limit orders. So it's very important when you want to trade candlesticks to do that. Can you link your Tradingview to IB? I tried doing that, and I'm not able to put the orders through for some reason. I actually, that's the future for this. I'm going to try to get it on, I'm going to try to get the Tradingview integration to work. I've actually reached out to Tradingview for some issues already, and then we can just trade off of the chart from Tradingview. Or I think what I have to do is I have to open a new broker account for interactive brokers and link that to Tradingview, so that way we could do a small account challenge. 4976, not 74. No, 76.75 is the current price. 74 is where I want to short. Okay, so 74 is here. 74.75. If it breaks this, then I want to short. Otherwise, I don't want to do nothing. Yeah, make sure you know the setups. All right, I have a lot of videos explaining the setups on how to put the order in. All right. Okay, what else do you guys have? Send me some chart requests. Let's look at something else. We don't have to just trade ES, but start sending me your chart requests. What do you guys want to look at right now? So obviously, let's start off with Amazon. Okay, because Amazon, here's that big gap up off of the morning right there, and we kind of been going sideways, but there was the earnings gap. All right, so we'll look at that. Let's look at Microsoft here. So Microsoft, similar, just push up, trending upward. Tesla's an interesting to watch, okay, because it is not doing what the rest of the market is doing. Tesla is actually down on the day. And if we look at Tesla here, this is a really nice setup as well. All right, so let's go ahead, let's put the basic on. So Tesla is looking for that short setup here on the 618. Should we short Tesla? Hit me with a 4 if you think yes. I like this setup here. We have the push down, pull back, and then the goal would be for the continuation to the downside here. Tesla had a recall today. Gotcha. Do you trade leverage ETFs? I used to. You can definitely trade those, like the 3X. I used to trade like LEBD, LEBU. MNQ. Give Interactive, whichever broker you're using, I don't know who you're using, give them a call and see what's going on. Should we try puts? Let me see here. How much is some 0 DTE Tesla puts? Let's see. You guys want to try some puts? on Tesla. Let's see. So order ticket. Let's look at some Tesla puts. Tesla. Okay. Here we go here. Tesla options. So today, so expiry today, Feb 2nd. So I would be looking for the 184 puts. Let's just see how much they cost. So there's 182.5 and 185 puts. So we try 185 puts. Let's see. 185 put. That's pretty much in the money. It's going for 66 cents. All right. I'm going to buy one. Okay. Let's buy one right now. Okay. All right. So I bought one put at 73 cents. Okay. So that's a lotto. All right. So we have that. I'm going to send it in the chat right now. And we'll see how this one plays out. I like it because it's a nice fib setup. And just go in with one contract. So not a big deal. Okay. Hit me with a 4 if you're following me. Here we go. So I just took this one right here. Tesla. $72. So I got in at 73 bucks. Okay. So this is 0DT. This is a lotto. And MES, still working on it here. Let's see if it turns here. Still working on it. So got two potential short setups here that I'm going to go for. All right. So nice rejection here on Tesla. Okay, I'm filled. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm filled on MES as well. Okay, so let's go ahead right here. So 1-to-1 risk to reward is right there. Tesla, I'm in the puts. We got both lining up. This looks good, guys. It's not, nothing's 100% win rate, but it's looking good so far. Okay, I'm already up 15 bucks on the puts. I'm just take another screenshot for you guys. All right, I'm getting out. I'm out. I'm done. Bang. Should we get out, guys? Hit me with a 4. I'm out. I'm joking. Not out. It's a nice one. So right there, guys, 71 cents to 89 cents. $16 in profit. Boom. Yes. All right. I like it. Okay. So there we go, guys. I'm in these trades right now. And I got let me put my stop loss in for MES. I didn't put it in. I'm going to put it in right now. So MES. So we're going to put buy because we have a short, right? So buy, stop. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss to the high of this candle right here. Okay. So the high of that candle is 49.8125. 49.8125. Bang. Slide to submit. Boom. It looks easy when you're right, but trust me, I'm not always right. So here we go. I like it. I like the setup. Let's go for it. So I already reduced some risk on this one here. I would love to get to at least a 1-to-1, which is right there. So let's see if we can get that soon, my friends. And Tesla, this is gonna go lotto. Okay, let's go. Really like that. I'm the reason I wanted to short is like this double top price action with the fibs. Okay, so I'm seeing that potential here, and we're going for it. All right, hit me with the 2 if you guys are following along. So I moved my stop loss here to protect me. So my risk on this trade is roughly 6 or 7 points. So 30 to 35 bucks. All right. And we'll see. So far on this challenge, we're 1 win, 1 loss. I really like the setup. I honestly, I like it. Just got to let it work out. So Tesla's turning here on me. That's fine. But I hope I showed you guys too, from a scalping perspective, if you're a scalper, you can hit 10%, 15% pretty quickly off of the fib levels. You can, but that's not really my style. I like to go for home runs because with home runs, it's more forgiving. With a home run, you could lose a few trades, but if you hit a big one, it'll cover all your losses. That's my style. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. But for me, for scalpers, I just showed you guys right here. We bought it at 71. It actually went to like 92. That's scalping. It's not my style though. I would love for this to hit a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and then we can call it a day. And I'm gonna let both of these run into the close, but I want to get to a 1-to-1. I can move the stop loss to break even, and we can move on from there. That would be really good. So 1-to-1 right now is going to be right down here and get a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So let's see. So what do you guys think? Do you think we're going to rally and squeeze into the close? That's what we've been doing for a while now. Every day we've been rallying and squeezing into the close. Do you guys think we'll do that? Hit me with a 1, or do you think today will be the sell-off? Hit me with a 2. At some point, guys, there has to be a sell-off. At some point, there has to be. We can't just continuously go up forever. So that's what I'm playing for here. You know, that's what I'm playing for. But there's no right answer. The right answer is risk to reward. The right answer is managing your trade. That's what it comes down to. Okay. All right, guys, I hope this one comes in here. So, and gives us a little push down. So it seems like Tesla does the opposite of the market, because when the market is going down, Tesla's going up, which is wild. But that's what Tesla does. It does whatever it wants to. But still, I like that. I took $72 risk. I'm not going to kill myself over it. So I'm going to let this play out here, guys. It's been 21 minutes in the video to go too long because nobody's going to watch it. So anyways, I will give you guys an update at the close on how this plays out. We're currently in profit a little bit here on this one. So I'm just going to let this one play out into the close. So I'll give you guys an update. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. And thank you so much for your time. Hit me with a 10 if you did. And don't forget to join the Trading Wars Army, guys. If you want to see more of these, I can definitely do this more often. And I plan to do it every Friday, but I could do it even more. Okay. So if you're watching the video right now, anybody with a green in their name, Dr. D, RC, Anthony, these are Trading Wars Army members. It's $4.99 a month, guys, and it supports the channel, helps me grow, and you get seminars for free and a lot of good perks. You get daily picks and all that. You can click the join button below. It's $4.99, like I said, if you're interested. Otherwise than that, guys, every time anyone that comes out and watches these stream, I'm going to give you a special deal, a special hookup. So anyone that wants to come trade live with us in the Discord, I'm doing a deal right now for you guys that are watching. Okay, you have to be watching. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Okay, Trading Wars with a Z. Okay, tradingwars.com, and I'll send you a link. Normally, this book is $150, and it comes with lifetime access to our swing room. But I'm gonna do it for $100 for anybody watching. I'll give you a code, $100. All right, but you got to email me for the code because I can't put it on the website. All right, email me, rich@tradingwars.com, if you want to come live with us every single day. We go live, guys. Fibonacci Society has been a banger. All right, thanks so much. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Still in profit here. Come on down. Come on down. All right, you know what? I'm gonna give it 3 more minutes. Okay, never mind. It looks like it's chopping. I don't want to just sit here and stare at it. All right, stops are in and emotions are out, guys. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. Bang. All right, guys, take care.